विक्रम सिंह राठौड़ पधार रहे हैं।
Hi everybody. Can everybody? Oh, there's too much light. I can't see anybody. So, Fahad, you want to say something? You want to say hello and to the media? We're very happy. Did you like the trailer? Yay! Okay, cool. So, can we call the two producers and the director to do a photo op with us, please? Hi.
I wanted to ask you, your styling is really good.
Thank
You are
you.
looking very stylish. तो उसके बारे में हमें कुछ बताइए that how
I'm
did
not
you come-
supposed to look stylish in the film, but thanks anyway.
funky and all.
It's very cool, yeah. Karuna Longani has done the styling. और ये सब हाई स्ट्रीट के कपड़े हैं and it's supposed to be she's supposed to be like very colorful. It's like a rainbow is vomited on her. Can I say that right? Yeah. So yeah, she doesn't know what she puts together when she wakes up in the morning. So she mixes anything and wears anything because she's just having fun with herself and her clothes.
Okay, one more question. अगर आपको रियल लाइफ में रत्ना पाठक शाह जैसी मतलब सासू माँ मिल जाए तो आप क्या करोगे इतनी स्ट्रिक्ट?
मतलब पता नहीं बट इवेंचुअली सब ठीक ही हो जाता है ना लाइफ में. वाटर फाइंड्स इट्स बैलेंस.
ओके, और आपने घर पे कभी कोई रूल ब्रेक किया है? घर का कोई रूल जो मतलब फैमिली रूल्स होते हैं जो बेसिक ऐसा कोई?
हाँ, बहुत सारे रूल्स.
अच्छा, हमें बताइए.
नहीं, मैं नहीं बता सकती हूँ.
Okay, my question to Fawad. My friends are very big fan of you from your serial Zindagi Gulzar Hai till now.
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया.
I told you all the girls find you very hot, yeah.
बहुत मेहरबानी. थैंक यू.
आप अपने इस जर्नी के बारे में हमें बताइए प्लीज. फ्रॉम पाकिस्तान टू इंडिया टू बॉलीवुड.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जब मुझे कांटेक्ट किया गया फॉर द रोल, आई थिंक it's a matter, it's a very big honor for me to be a part of this production, to be a part of this production family. और जब मेरी मुलाकात हुई इनसे और जब आप बात आगे बढ़ी, I found it to be very interesting. And most of all, I think, throughout the production, I'll just keep it very short, I found the treatment, the way I was treated and the way I was welcomed to be very family-like, very warm. So, all in all, ये जो पूरे का पूरा जर्नी रहा है, it's been a very interesting episode in my life. बहुत मज़ा आया और बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऐसी हैं जो कि खुद जब आप देखते हैं, जब खुद एक्सपीरियंस करते हैं आके फर्स्ट हैंड, तो आपको एहसास होता है कि थिंग्स आर वेरी डिफरेंट एज इट इज़ पोर्ट्रेड इन मीडिया कंपेयर टू व्हाट इट इज़ पोर्ट्रेड इन मीडिया. तो यहाँ पर there's a lot of love, a lot of warmth, और मैंने बहुत enjoy किया and I hope that you guys enjoyed as much as we had fun in making it.
What's your right? Sonam.
Two questions. Yeah.
Great. Yeah. Sonam here.
हाँ जी,
Who has a
बोल.
mic? ये आपकी
हाँ.
होम प्रोडक्शन की फिल्म है.
नहीं, डिज्नी एंड होम
Disney
प्रोडक्शन.
and yeah, home production.
कॉम्बिनेशन है.
Yeah. तो पहला सवाल तो ये है कि
हाँ जी.
ये खूबसूरत के आप लोगों ने मतलब राइट्स खरीदे थे.
हाँ जी.
ओके. तो ये उसकी हूबहू रीमेक तो नहीं है.
जी.
ओके. और मतलब दूसरा ये कि होम प्रोडक्शन की फिल्म होने के नाते कितनी ज़्यादा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आप फील कर रहे हैं?
जी, मैं तो सिर्फ एक्टर हूँ, ये मेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं है. रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी सिर्फ शशांक और रिया की है. मैंने तो सिर्फ एक्टिंग की है. When I take on a job as an actor, I only concentrate on doing that. नहीं तो एक लफड़ा हो जाता है. You know, you have to just do your best with what you've got. Because if you start thinking about कि यार responsibility है, you know, my sister's making the film. I've known Sid for like I don't know how many years. इन्होंने इतनी मतलब he's had so much faith. He's decided to make this film with us, and then Shashank also is making a film after so many years. If I start thinking about all of that, तो मैं सुबह काम पे जा नहीं पाऊँगी. So it's just a matter of taking each day and enjoying my work and saying that I'll be a selfish actor. I will do the best I can with this role.
I feel that if I didn't have a partner like Shashank, then it would have been challenging, but it was just fun. We had the idea, we went to Goa together with our writer, and we just had a blast, and you know, we just laughed and had a good time and wrote it and then worked really hard. And he's a really good friend of mine and a really good collaborator, and so it is a challenge at times, but mostly it's just fun. So I've really had a good time. It's been one of the greatest experiences of my life. And then once we got into a partnership with Disney, it just got even better because it's so good to work with people who you know vibe with. You have a cultural sensibility with you. They understand you and you understand them. So for me, it just seemed organic and very natural, like an extension of what we always wanted to do. And the film is such that just makes you happy. I'm not really ready to make depressing films yet. When I will be, I'll do it maybe a little later on. But I just like to make happy films that make other people happy. So for me, it's just a rewarding experience. It's been great.
चेंजेस क्या क्या हैं शशांक, इफ यू कैन शेयर? आपके राइट.
I think original Khoobsurat se we've taken it a little forward into the area of romance. So the original one was just a clash of values and families, basically values within families. I think we've just taken it a little further, but we've held on to the core idea there.
आप ट्रेलर में बहुत शरारती, चुलबुली, नटखट सी लग रही हैं.
हाँ जी.
तो सेट पे भी इतनी मस्ती की.
Oh God, Shashank, मैं तो बोल सकती हूँ.
I'd like to tell him some.
नहीं, क्या हो गया था, प्रॉब्लम ये है बिकॉज शशांक एंड रिया एंड द राइटर्स न्यू मी सो वेल. उन्होंने ये कैरेक्टर बहुत, आई थिंक हर फिल्म में सब पूछते हैं कि इज दिस कैरेक्टर लॉट लाइक यू, इज दिस कैरेक्टर लॉट लाइक यू. दे वेरी shamelessly taken every part of my personality and exposed me completely in this film. If any character has ever been close to who I am as a person, it's Mrinalini, Millie, Dr. Millie, and it's embarrassing and it's amazing and it was a very annoying thing on set. I was like, ये तो मेरे लाइफ में हुआ था, ये सीन कैसे आ गया इस फिल्म में? So Riya was like, yeah, I'm sorry. Shashank was like, oh, I didn't think of it that way. I was like, you're such a liar. So yeah, they have basically हाँ, तो ये basically मेरी personality है.
विक्रम को भी परेशान किया सेट.
हाँ,
अगर
बहुत
विक्रम कुछ बोलना चाहे.
टॉर्चर किया है.
टॉर्चर, विक्रम सही कह रही हैं वो.
फवाद टॉर्चर खान.
नहीं, not at all. I think रोल की हद तक, I think जिस तरह रोल निभाया है उसके अंदर, I think उन्होंने बहुत टॉर्चर किया. That was a part of her job and she really played it very aptly to the letter. But as a co-star, she's a very accommodating person, very warm and very welcoming, and extremely supportive. So I used to take my time settling in. मेरे लिए it was a completely alien environment, completely new environment, and not just her, everyone, Riya, Shashank, the whole production team, Manoj, Saurabh, all of them, even down to our help. Names like Preetham, Bharat, everyone all together, they just like made sure that we were completely comfortable.
There's also Ratna ji and Kiran ji you worked
जी बिल्कुल,
with.
all
उनके
of them,
साथ
the
कैसा
whole
experience
family. It was an amazing experience. Like I said, मेरे लिए एक नई environment में काम करना, एक नए माहौल में काम करना, for me, for a person like me, I consider myself to be a bit of a social recluse. Coming out and interacting with new people is a bit of a task for me. So I think they left no stone. कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ी उन्होंने इस काम में कि मुझे comfortable किया जाए और for it to be an enjoyable experience.
No, it is everything pretty much. No,
I second that.
I would, yeah.
Absolutely.
I must say that. I mean, I was just following Riya all the way through the film.
Don't blame it on me.
Fawad.
Man is a liar.
जी.
So yeah,
I'm sorry, मैं actually NF नहीं पहनी तो मैं जरा blindly जवाब दे दूँगा.
on your
Thank you. Thank you.
Can I address you as Zaru because that name suits you?
अच्छा, you may.
I've seen Zindagi Gulzar Hai recently, which concluded on Zindagi, and the serial was fantastic. You were fantastic in that.
I appreciate it. बहुत शुक्रिया.
I have one request for you.
जी.
If you're comfortable,
जी.
if you don't mind, please sing that the title song of the serial
Oh,
because
God.
I've everybody wants to hear because you have been a singer, so everybody wants to hear.
I've been a very terrible singer. I'll tell you what, I've just made noise all my life. So ये लोगों की मेहरबानी और आपकी मेहरबानी है कि आप मेरे antics बर्दाश्त कर लेते हैं. But what song are you referring to
The
from?
title song of the Zindagi Gulzar Hai.
मुझे तो खुदा की कसम lyrics भी नहीं याद उसके. I
कोई भी
swear
गाना
to-
गा दीजिए प्लीज.
Any song then, if you're comfortable.
हमने बहुत ट्राई
हालत
किया
में
शूटिंग
पत्थर
के
फंस
टाइम.
गए मेरे अब,
Made him
लेकिन
so
चलें
happy.
मैं कोशिश करता हूँ. Ali's gonna hate me for this. जिंदगी गुलजार है ये इश्क का I don't know what the lyric was after that. Huh? I'm sorry? ये इश्क का दरबार है. That's all I can help you with. But thank you so much.
Hi, this is for.
No, you're very kind. Thank you.
I always end up with
This is for-
singers, na?
Hi.
Co-stars.
Sorry, left. I'm sorry. Yo. I'm sorry. Sorry, yo.
Yeah.
Hi. So Rekha's in the original Khoobsurat
Yeah.
and you are in the remake. So have you all shown the trailer to Rekha? What were her
Well,
thoughts?
well, we've shown like she is a very close to our family, and उन्होंने आयशा भी देखी थी, उनके लिए हमने एक separate trial hold किया था, but like in this film also, I think we'll show her
I
the
would-
film.
What was I saying? Yeah, so I want to show her the film. I want to show it to her in its entirety, and I really would like her feedback on it.
Hi.
Hi, Sonam. See, usually we see you like really prim and proper, the way you present yourself every time. And in this film, you are
What
the
is this
misfit.
expression? You made us very prim and proper. You look at me like this.
No, I completely agree with that.
Yeah. So in the film, you're the misfit. So was it difficult to kind of play a different, role from?
What you see in the media, where I'm concerned, is completely. Stop laughing, guys, and stop looking at me like that. It's completely different than what you would know of me in my personal life. Unless some people in the media know me very well, so when they see the trailer, they'll be like, okay, fine, this is Sonam. She has no filter, and she says whatever, she behaves whatever. She's falling everywhere. And she wears, see, the whole idea of wearing whatever I want is what the whole idea of Millie is. So prim and proper, yeah, I try very hard to be prim and proper. And I guess if you think I am succeeding, then I am succeeding. I told you.
Sonam, hi. Sonam,
Hi.
hi. Lot of actresses these days are singing. Do you plan to?
Are you crazy?
This
This is not happening at all.
I feel like it's a bad idea.
It's a really bad idea. I can't even sing in the bathroom. I'm not even a bathroom singer. No.
Never happened.
No. I don't think I can like sing at all.
So this is Disney India's first movie. It's a rom-com, but we know, Disney usually comes with the typical movies and all. How did Khoobsurat fit into the mold?
You know, it's really as Disney a film as it can get. It's a film for the family. It's a film that should appeal to, it'll appeal to people of all ages. As I said, from 6 to 60, I think would enjoy it. And it's a film that when we had the narration of the film, and actually Shashank is a wonderful narrator. He sort of narrated the film to us. He came to the office with Riya, and we had a room full of people, and they were completely engaged, with the film all the way through. And these were all types of people, from different departments within the studio. We knew as soon as we heard it that this would be a film that should be branded.
I just wanted to know कि फैशन के मामले में हमेशा लोग आपको फॉलो करते रहे, हमेशा से लड़कियां आपके पीछे पीछे जो भी आप करती रही हैं. तो ये कानों में जो आज आपने डिफरेंट कलर्स के इयररिंग्स पहन रखे हैं.
एक इयररिंग मेरे को दूसरा वाला मिल रहा नहीं था. I swear.
तो कल से फिर ये लड़कियों के लिए नया ट्रेंड हो जाएगा.
I guess
different color
so.
के.
I couldn't come with Dipani earring, तो मैंने दूसरी पैर की दूसरी इयररिंग पहन ली.
So what made you opt for this specific remake, and do you feel you have done justice to a role that Rekha has made so memorable?
I don't think I can do justice to anything Rekha has done. But the idea of, I don't know why Shashank and Riya and everybody else decided to be a part of this film and to make this film. But for me, I feel these days there are very few films that are wholesome and that mean something and that have great values. And at the same time, they're lots of fun. And I think Hrishikesh Mukherjee was one of the last few directors who made films like Goody and Millie and Khoobsurat and all of them that actually had that vibe which appealed to everybody, said something, had a message, and were happy, fun films. And those kind of films, I think maybe Raju Hirani is making them these days. And I think Khoobsurat is one of the other ones which I really wanted to be a part of, because I don't think a good film is necessarily a good film because it's dark or depressing or somebody's dying or dead at the end of the film. I think it can be fun and it can mean something and it can be light, and at the same time I think we are going through too much in India and in our lives to not have a happy place that says something, and I think cinema has always been my happy place. And I grew up on Hrishikesh Mukherjee films, and for me this is an ode to Hrishikesh Mukherjee. It's not necessarily Khoobsurat that was the old Khoobsurat, but this is an ode to his filmmaking, To me, that's what it is. Yeah. I think what is relevant to humankind will always be relevant. That is love, happiness, family values, and looking forward. I don't think human values ever change.
और कई ट्वीट्स आए हैं जब से आपने ये फिल्म की है कि आपने पाकिस्तानी लोगों की भावनाओं को ठेस पहुंचाया, तो इस पे क्या रिएक्शन है आपका और क्या आप बॉलीवुड में कंटिन्यू करते रहेंगे?
देखें, इट्स जिन पाकिस्तानियों की आप बात कर रहे हैं, दैट इज़ अ वेरी स्मॉल परसेंटेज ऑफ द पॉपुलेशन. और ये अगर आप ट्रेंड नोटिस करेंगे, दैट विल कम आउट ऑफ एनीवेयर. कहीं भी कभी भी कोई एनिमोसिटी या कोई मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग क्रिएट हुई हो, मैं मिसाल ले लेता हूँ. मतलब खैर अभी यहाँ पे तो इन रेलेवेंस पाकिस्तान और इंडिया की बात हो रही है, लेकिन अगर यहाँ से भी कोई जाए या वहाँ से कहीं और जाए तो कोई ना कोई जो है नुक्ता निकाला जाएगा क्रिटिसिज्म के लिए. I think to pay attention to such criticism is unnecessary because art is something that transcends borders, and it has got nothing to do with religion, caste, creed, or nationality. It is an expression, and that expression is universal. Not universally accepted, because मैं ये भी समझता हूँ कि जब आप एक फिल्म बनाते हैं तो एक पर्सपेक्टिव के तहत बनाते हैं. It is your opinion. So in a matter जिसमें opinions count करते हैं, तो किसी का ओपिनियन है तो इट्स दे आर एंटाइटल्ड टू दैट ओपिनियन, और मैं उसके बारे में कुछ कह नहीं सकता. लेकिन हाँ, एज एन एक्टर माई सेल्फ आई वुड लाइक टू एक्सप्लोर अदर रीजन्स इन द वर्ल्ड एज वेल. सो आई एम नॉट टू दुख होता है कि अगर उनको ये बात बुरी लगती है, लेकिन उसके बारे में कुछ कर नहीं सकते. सो दैट इज़ व्हाई आई चूज टू इग्नोर इट.
But we are all the girls in India are very happy that he's here. I'm telling you. हाँ जी. You think I'm good with my language? Thank you. तो मैंने I think since the beginning of my career, I think मैंने एक फिल्म की है सावरिया, फिर उसके बाद मौसम, फिर रांझना. I think I've played a lot of Muslims where I had to learn Urdu. So I did all alphabet A, वो सब तो सीख लिया था. तो हाँ, मेरी pronunciation थोड़ी better हो गई है, but yeah, I'm more Hindi speaking. But I've learned, बहुत अच्छा बोलते हैं ना. It's quite hot. अच्छा, मुझे पता नहीं था खूबसूरत होना चाहिए. अच्छा, मुझे पता नहीं इंग्लिश में, हिंदी में तो करेक्ट स्पेलिंग की है, इंग्लिश की मुझे पता नहीं. हाँ, मुझे पता नहीं. I don't know. You want to answer this?
खूबसूरत is सिर्फ inspired है. So this is our take on it, spelling wise.
Fawad, have you seen the older Khoobsurat, as in the first Khoobsurat? And
actually बात की थी इस फिल्म के लिए, तो सबसे पहले what I did my homework. I went and watched the old movie. I think in its own right, it's a timeless classic of its own era. And this movie, if I'm permitted to say, is very different from that. It draws inspiration in a lot of ways, लेकिन हर तरह से, मतलब बहुत एस्पेक्ट्स में ये बहुत मुख्तलिफ है उससे. तो उसके लिए जो प्रिपेयर करना था या जो ग्राउंड वर्क करना था, बिकॉज आई थिंक उसमें जो राकेश रोशन साहब का जो रोल है उसके अंदर, दैट इज़ फ्रॉम अ नाइस एजुकेटेड फैमिली, एंड ही प्लेज द रोल ऑफ अ डॉक्टर. एंड बट इस फिल्म के अंदर जो रोल है, विच एज opposite Sonam, it's that of a Rajput prince, and it is in a completely different world altogether. तो as homework मैंने देखा ज़रूर, लेकिन मुझे लगा नहीं कि वहाँ से exactly कोई चीज़ उठाई जा सकती है in context of this film. So that way I think it was not that much of a test to me, because कोई कैसे मशहूर personality या actor का को से इंस्पायर होके उन्हीं का रोल फिर से निभाना, I think it becomes a challenge. So I took the easy way out.
हाय लिया सोनम, मेरा क्वेश्चन आप दोनों से है. अक्सर जहाँ दो बहनें होती हैं वहाँ लड़ाई प्यार दोनों होता है. आप दोनों के बीच कभी शूटिंग के दौरान कोई आर्ग्यूमेंट हुई किसी चीज़ को लेके?
I think Shashank, you should answer that question.
Who have you been talking to?
What made you choose Fawad, as perfect for probably this role, and this is his entry into the Hindi film industry? What made you sort of center down on him?
I actually didn't think that far ahead. I saw Ria and I saw him, and we saw some work he'd done, and we'd asked him to kind of send us some stuff, and I wasn't.
I think Fawad, more than anything, he's such a brilliant actor. He's so committed to his craft, but he makes it look so easy, and that's what I needed in Vikram, and that's what Shashank and I had always envisioned Vikram to be, someone who is effortless but still is committed to everything that he does. So when we saw his test, we were like, what is happening? We were so taken in by it, and we loved it so much. And more than anything, you know, I feel we were making this film that literally it needed Prince Charming, but we needed him to be funny, and we needed him to be interesting, and we needed him to be all these things. And you know, Fawad was that. He was so naturally that he didn't even have to try, you know. So it's very annoying, but
Appreciate that.
Fawad, a question for you
Ji.
on your left-hand side. How difficult was the transition from, you know, working in Pakistan, working in films and TV in Pakistan, and then doing this here? How difficult or easy was it, and what were the differences sort of that you can, you know, pinpoint? This is the way you guys work in Pakistan in terms of making films, and this is the way it works in India.
In my experience, I only have one film under the belt before this, and that was a film called Khuda Ke Liye that I'd done many years ago, and I think that was my first acting project ever. Uske baad se I've worked a lot on television in Pakistan. So primarily the difference in the working style, it was very obvious, which obviously had me nervous, is in television you're able to execute whatever you're doing over a number of episodes. For film, you have only, let's say, a very limited amount of time to win the heart of the audiences. So I think the pressure mounts on a great deal more than it would when you're working on television. As far as the working, the way we operate there, the way we've operated here, I really can't really comment on the difference, because that was for television and this for film. And the film that I had done earlier, I think that was after a very long, there'd been a very long period of silence in cinema in Pakistan. It had gone down a great deal, and we were in the efforts of reviving it. You've seen a very colorful past in cinema in Pakistan, but sadly for a while it had sort of reclined or taken a back seat, and television had come to the front and music had come to the front. So my participation was mostly in television media and had been off and on in music. So here, the first camera I here rolled in India in 1912, if I'm not wrong. So people have 100 years of experience. So for me, I think it was more of a learning opportunity more than anything else, and I'm grateful for that.
Shashank, one question for you as well, from Quick Gun Murugan to you know, a jump to sort of this genre of filmmaking. How and you know, why did it happen?
I completely give credit for that to Ria. I've always
I threatened him. He sent people to his house in the middle of the night and beat him until
I honestly did not. I didn't think any producer would trust me with a project like this, but she was very convinced, and that played a huge role. And I think I'm curious, so I want to try a new genre, want to try something. Then, as the script started to develop, you know, there was a lot of resonance in that, and I still, you know, think about it and say that, okay, here's one. There's no gangsters, there's no murders. It's a, you know, and yeah.
we tried not to make murder a part of this.
One last question, please.
Girl from Bollywood.
Am I
Yeah.
am I a Disney girl? Yeah, I am a Disney girl. Yeah, it's an honor. I think this is the first one out there, and I'm quite excited about it. I don't want to let anybody down. We worked very hard, and I don't know, man. I'm really nervous, and I'm excited as well. But I'm nervous because it's a huge responsibility. It's Sid and my sister, and I haven't worked with Sid on a really close basis since Delhi 6, and we did another film in between. Let's not talk about that. but not closely. And for me, it's exciting, you know. You did I Hate Love Stories as well, but that was not as a producer. So for me, this is more. It's nice because I enjoy working with him. I enjoy working with my sister, and I love Shashank. And we want to make a dark film after this, but but we decided that we should like start this way. But I'm excited and I'm happy and I'm nervous and I'm like really dying right now. So.
Okay, media, thank you so much. We would like to end the Q&A on this note, requesting the photographers to kindly.
Well, you saw the first look today in the papers. You've seen the trailer now. The music is great, so we'll be promoting the music now over the next few months. There'll be, there'll be lots of marketing activities, but we'd like to sort of unveil them at the right time rather than talk about them now. But really, needless to say, I think the film is going to be promoted in a big way over the next.
Thank you so much for your support on that note. Thank you so much. Is that a question or you supporting me on that? Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. नहीं आप लोगों का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, बहुत बहुत मेहरबानी. I think you people have been very warm tonight. Sorry, yeah, I'm a bit lost when it comes to time. So thank you so much for having us here. And इतनी इज़्ज़त देने का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया.
Like 5 aunties who want to have lunches with him. I don't know how to get out of it.
5 million.
Yeah, we have to have like different lunch things. They were like, "अरे please फवाद से मिलवा दो lunch के लिए."
और ये लोग टिकट कर रहे हैं उस lunch को. So
thank you so much.
Thank
Media
you.
will now have the photo op.